Welcome to my little creative corner of the internet, or welcome back to all my fellow creative friends. And welcome back to Junk Journal July. For day number 12, the prompt is packaging. So let's grab our junk journal and let's dive into today's creative challenge. For today's prompt, I first had to get some packaging to include in my junk journal, and I decided I had some Kinder Bueno ice cream at home still, so I thought it would be fitting to do something with the packaging of those. And before that, I enjoyed a really nice Kinder Bueno ice cream. I absolutely love those. And then I decided to include the packaging of the ice cream cone as well as some of the little speech bubbles on the bigger packaging on the outside of the ice cream. I thought it would make a good spread for today. At first I split the cardboard in half here to make it a bit thinner for the junk journal. It's getting quite bulky at the moment and I don't want to add unnecessary bulk to it. That's why I did just peel off the printed paper layer from the box to glue those speech bubbles onto today's spread. Then I had to think about a moment what I wanted to do with the ice cream cone. I thought about maybe just creating an ice cream, drawing an ice cream into the packaging cone or something. And then I thought it is maybe a bit too one-on-one, just documenting, and I like to switch it up a bit and make it a bit more creative. That's why I came up with making it a bouquet of flowers. So here I grabbed some craft paper and I'm drawing the big flower doodles onto them to include in the spread to make a little flower bouquet out of the Kinder Bueno ice cream packaging. I'm really enjoying how this spread turned out. It's one of my favorites so far. How is your junk journal July going? Are you still keeping strong? I'm sorry that today's video is so super late. Today was a bit off, so it took me a while. I hopefully can get back on track next week a bit more and upload those videos earlier in the day. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on this creative adventure or many more to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you tomorrow.